Vitamins and minerals are an essential component of the diet. Vitamins are organic compounds. They are organic nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. There are 13 key vitamins. They are vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, and folate. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, and folate are considered B vitamins, in addition to vitamin B6 and vitamin B12. Vitamins are either fat-soluble or water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins are hydrophobic. Fatty acids are essential for the distribution of fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are hydrophilic. They are absorbed and distributed via the bloodstream. There are many functions of vitamins. Among them are helping the body resist infections, keeping nerves healthy, helping the body get energy from food, and helping blood to clot. Minerals are inorganic and typically elemental. Minerals are inorganic elements that the body needs to develop and function normally. The types of minerals are based on the quantity of specific minerals needed by the body. Macrominerals are major minerals. They are needed in comparatively large quantities. Microminerals are trace minerals. They are needed in very small amounts. Major required minerals are sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sulfur. Required trace minerals are iron, zinc, iodine, selenium, copper, manganese, fluoride, chromium, and molybdenum. Minerals have many functions in the body. Some of them are to promote bone, muscle, and heart health. Another function is to keep the brain functioning properly. Minerals are also a key component of enzymes and hormones. Vitamins and minerals are typically found in a variety of foods. If a varied diet is not allowing a person to consume the necessary vitamins and minerals, then there are supplements that a person can take.